It's already not staying in. It started. A little bit better. Not much, a little bit better. A little bit less tension because we got shortened everything up a little bit. Okay. Forget where we left off on this. Go measure it and find out. We want 21. 22 to 25. Take a little bit. I think we need to go from this angle. Right now. Twenty-four, 25. Not popping out, that's a good sign. Seeing the damn oil, so much oil. I can't hear it pop either. There we go. About 21, 1.5. I don't see the dial or not, but in a used motor, I like slightly more pounds. It's better, but it's still a pain. Didn't take much to pop it. Okay, see what we got. I'll blow this up a little bit. Clean oil on the tip always helps it. Okay, so looks like we're about 21 still. that way. Throw it at 2 this way. I guess I'm not holding it square this way. Yep, there's the problem. So I don't know if you can see the dial or not. Right on 2, 2, 1. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's there. Okay, that one's done. Going to do this one up real quick. This is the one we had a little bit less to work with. Okay. Still looking at a few more guides in it before it's done. We're going to stretch it out though. 22. Looks pretty straight. That's good. Okay, see what we got this time. A little smaller. A little bigger, I should say. Alright, this side we're at 22, 21 where we want to be. Over here, so 19, it drops off a little. Alright, so an extra 1/10 on that side and the other one. About 1/10 of taper in this one too. Alright, so that's how you do that. We got that to work a little bit longer, but it's on its lost legs. Okay, do things differently. Okay, now I'm going to swap out to the exhaust side. So, I don't know if people want to watch me do it twice. It's the same process, so I think we'll just come back. You can always tell me if you want in the comments you want me to see waste time doing the same thing double. So if you do, let me know. We'll film more. For now, we're going to stop for now. Alright, we're back. So, what the guides look like here if we hold them. You can see them out, I don't know. See how shiny they are up in the bores and the guides. Maybe this direction works better for you, I don't know. Anyway, that's what they look like after you hone them. So, the key is what they measure. So when you measure them, so this is the intake. This is when we're doing 21 on the dial. Yep, 21, see? That's right at 2 to 21 right there. Pretty straight. This one here, we're supposed to be 30 on the dial. This one I made a little bit looser because those are not real high quality valves and these things run hot. So I give an extra 2/3. See right there. So instead of 30, we're about 27, 28. Nice and straight. One's a little bit looser than the other, so this one's probably tighter. Yep. It's about a 1/10 tighter. The highest spot in there we catch every now and then. So there's the intake. About 19.5 there, maybe I saw a flash. So there you go. That's what you're looking for there. So these are pretty much when you hone these to size, you get what you get. So, all right. So now our valves should fit in here pretty good now. Yeah, they went in. That's a good sign. Here's the clearance. I got just a little bit in there. You can see the rock in the valve now, but just a little bit. Well, these valves aren't new. They've got a little taper out around this to them also. This one will be a little bit looser, but not a lot. There you go. So tomorrow we get to cut the seats. It's almost 11 now, so time to get out of here. Alright, that's it for tonight.